Hi everyone, so this is a video tutorial on how you can participate during the lecture periods, and I'm using Math 115 as an example, but the same procedure will work for all my classes. So I'm on Canvas here, click on Home up at the top. Okay, then scroll down, you'll see Class Content, so click on that. Then click on Day 1, Module 1. Then if you scroll down, you'll see your Day 1 stuff. You have attendance, Lecture 1, Question 1, Lecture 1, Question 2. So let's click on Lecture 1, Question 2. So I tell you to watch this video. Then there's the question below. So suppose you have your solution written for this question and you want to share it with me. So there's a reply button at the bottom. Do not use that one. Go to the top and there's a reply button. Click on that one. Then, let me zoom in here. You'll see a square with like a little mountain and a sun inside it. Click on that and choose Upload Image. Okay. Now click on the rocket and choose Take Photo. Okay, so now let's take a picture of our work. Okay, that's pretty good. If it's not good, just retake the picture. Okay, now where it says ALT text, we're going to write, say, solution 2. So solution 2. And then where it says display options, oops, let me close this. Where it says display options, right now it says embed image. We want to actually choose display text link. Because if you embed the images, there'll be too many pictures for me to look through. It's going to be hard to keep track of everything. So it's better if you choose display text link. So click on that one. Then at the bottom, you'll see a submit button, bottom right here. So click on it. Okay. So now you can see our solution is right there. That's one way you can do it. Let's look at a second way you can do it. Okay, so a second way is using Google Docs. So let me go down here. Oh, by the way, I'm on my iPad here, but you could use a smartphone or any device that has a camera to do this. Okay, so I'm going to click on Google Docs. Here's my Google Docs down here. Then I'm going to click on the plus sign at the bottom right and say New Doc. And for title, let's call it Solution 2 also. So create. Okay, so here's my Google Doc now. In the upper right corner, you'll see a plus sign. So click on the plus sign. And then choose Image, which is third down here. And say from camera. And again, we can take a picture. So use this. So now it's in my Google Doc. Then in the top right, you'll see 3 dots. Click on those. And then choose down at the bottom here, it says Share and Export. So choose Share and Export. Then where it says Link Sharing, switch that on. Okay, so it's copied the link to our Google Doc now. So now let's go back to Canvas. Okay. So you'll see up here, looks like a little chain. Click on that. Yeah. Make it smaller. So click on that chain. And say external link, choose that. And then our link now, we're going to paste it here. So paste our link here. And then for text, we can use, say, solution 2 again. Solution 2, and say done. Okay, so that's a second way you could share your solution. And there's a third way, and that is you could also use a note-taking app like GoodNotes or something like that, and you can write your answer in the note-taking app, and then you can share your PDF with me. So to do that, we're going to click on this document symbol here, and we're going to say upload doc. So click on the rocket again. This time we're going to say browse. So you need to save your work as a PDF, which I've done here. On the top left you'll see solution 2. So click on that. Okay, and then click submit at the bottom. Okay, so that's a third way you could share your solution. You can also post questions you have for me and I'll answer them here. So once you've have your solution there or your question that you want to ask me, then click post reply. Okay, so now I'll be able to see your solution. I'll be able to click on it and see it, and then I can respond. And if it's right, you get the extra credit points. If it's incorrect, I'll give you a hint and tell you to work on it some more. Okay, so this is how you'll participate during a lecture period. You could also take screenshots of questions you have and upload them here. There's also a way you can share your Google Doc so only I can see your answer, and I've made a video on how to do that, okay, which you can watch. Okay, so that's how you're going to participate during the lecture periods. Okay, so that's it.